Howdy, folks. It's Donal McCarthy here, bringing you your update for Bloordale Village in regards to real estate for February of 2021. Hope all you folks are doing well. Doing things a little bit differently today. I want to kind of dig a bit deeper into some economic fundamentals and how we kind of determine where the market's going, how we guide our clients. Maybe this is a good week or not a good week, or a good month or not such a good month to possibly either buy or sell your asset. Anyway, so first of all, as usual, we jump into the least expensive home in Bloordale Village and the most expensive home. So anyways, we had 6 sales. Again, all of this information is downloadable in the comment section below. So I'll let you, if you are the detail-oriented type of character, you can dig into that stuff. So anyways, let's push on. Least expensive was a property, 29 Patton Avenue. There we go, on Patton. Sold for $999 in 4 days. So pretty much 100% of asking. Okay, standard strategy of selling. They listed where they wanted to sell it at and they sold it fast. And then the most expensive home, this was quite an expensive sale, was 20 Russet Avenue, and it had a 30-foot frontage lot. So that's unique for this neighborhood indeed. And it was a nicely renovated 2-unit property. Could be converted to a triplex quite easily. So that listed at 1.625 and sold for close to 2 million, 1.951 in 2 days. So there you have it, folks. The least and most expensive homes in Bloordale Village, February 2021. Now, absorption rates, if you've been watching the other videos, my General Toronto one, or you've been watching the other Dovercourt Village or Junction Triangle, it's the same spiel I'm giving in all the videos. But basically, I'm talking about absorption rates and how we can determine kind of where our market is and help our clients make educated decisions about their real estate, whether it's buying or whether it's selling. So what are absorption rates? They're basically an identifier of supply and demand. And I love this stuff. Coming from an engineering background, I just love numbers. That's me. It's not everyone. I get it. So if I'm boring it, just quit. Get out of here. So every Monday, Melissa would come into the office and she pulls what we call absorption rates, or weeks of inventory on the market. And she pulls it for the different stock. So condos, last week there were, on Monday, March 1st, there were 5 weeks of inventory. And we determine that by how many sold in the last week and how many are available on the market right now. And that kind of gives us an indicator. The ratio of the two of those, one divided by the other, gives you a weeks of inventory in the market, which is great because we were able to advise our clients in January who had condos and were thinking of selling and were scared because last year we had all this news that the condo market was crashing. Well, no, we came back down to like 12 weeks of inventory, 11, 10, down to 5. So that'll tell you that our condo market has rebounded. As to where it goes from here, again, we have to watch these indicators. Houses, 4.2 weeks of inventory, record low. And this is why people are falling over themselves, 21, 50, 70 offers on homes. And it's unsustainable, you know, and let me just jump over to the graph again, right? This is what we're kind of seeing, right? And that was coming out of 2020, but we're going to see similar stats. As you can see here in 2017, this is the kind of growth we had in the early spring. And of course, that had to come down. And that the government introduced policy, which of course affected that here. So for specifically Dovercourt Village, for Bloordale Village, there was 1 month of supply as of Monday. Again, super tight, hence why our prices are so crazy. So if you are thinking of selling, now is a bloody good time, possibly. So give us a call. And then just finally, again, our 6-month aggregate of how the 31 sales in Bloordale Village between September 1st and February 28th. Look, again, you know, you can dig into this data a bit more if you download the files. But overall, what I'm looking for here is, look, on average, stuff selling for 10% above asking. Seller's market, it's selling on average in 10 days. Seller's market, and some information on pricing there too. So there you have it, folks. I just wanted to give you that quick update on how we kind of determine and help our clients. So do reach out to us if you have like a mortgage coming up. Maybe it's best now if your mortgage renewal is later on in the year. Maybe now is a good time to actually break that, pay the penalty, and start paying so much less in monthly interest fees, right? Depending on whether you were on a 5-year, 4, 3, or 2, whatever that product was. So very important to be on top of that and educate yourself as to what are little things I can do to help save me money if I'm hanging on to my house even.